That's me. And as you can see in the Netherlands, we know how to party. But it doesn't come for free. You need a director to bring that party to that next level. That's where I come in, the DJ. And just like with every profession, you have good DJs and you have bad DJs. For instance, when I started to work in this club, the first night looked like this. In the video you just saw, I remember the club closing at 6 o'clock, but they started cleaning at 3 o'clock already. That's how bad it was. So after 6 to 8 weeks, I turned the club around to this. Yeah, you get the idea, So, in this video series, I'm going to share with you all my tips to assure you that you can be the best DJ you can be. So, without any further ado, welcome to the 10 holy DJ commandments of DJ Deejay. So if you are a DJ that wants to be consistently good and crack the code, follow my 10 commandments and you will be the rock star of your club without needing to have a hit single. And these commandments can be used by all DJs, festival DJs, club DJs, house DJs, urban DJs, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter! So stop fooling around, like, subscribe, watch the videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!